Waalaikum.
How are you, class?
Very good.
Very good. Very good after iftar.
Very
Alhamdulillah.
good after it. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Good. All right. So I have to make it a class in at my place because my son just done the operation yesterday. So he seems not unwell, so I have to be around with him. So if you can hear any noise or crying, so just ignore, okay? He's unwell.
What happened?
Sorry for that. Operation for the teeth because he got like very bad caries teeth at young age, like 1 year plus. Actually, this was second operation. The first time when he was 1 year plus, the dentist did the what filling. Because teeth small, so you cannot do like an adult. So have to got the abuse something like that. And then second one, this time very could become worse. So have to take out 3 teeth and make all crowns. Yeah.
Oh,
This one because of the doctor said because of milk bottle. So he drink through bottle, so that's why. Yeah.
how
Some
old? How old is he?
Now he's 3 years old. It's May. This year 3 years.
Oh, but then kalau 3 years old, the tooth is masih lagi apa tu gigi susu tu kan?
Uh-huh. Yeah, true. Gigi susu lah. Yes. Gigi susu.
Just take out je lah.
But yeah, to take out, but it's not like macam adult, you know. I cannot sit like properly like an adult kan. So I have to
Oh,
go to OT, operation theater. Still have to do that procedure.
we wish him well.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I hope so. He got fever, I think, after operation. So I didn't sleep like proper last night. I hope tonight we can sleep well. Okay. All right. So we are still waiting for the rest to join. Wait, and now it's 9 students. Where's the rest? I just missing one. Oh, Ibrahim is here. Okay, we have, I think, last week, 3 students, they didn't introduce themselves. Wait a moment, let me share. But I don't know this guy, where is he? Wait, let me show. Where is the link? Okay. Let me open the Padlet for a while. Let me check. So everyone's good? Those who just come in? And please tick your attendance in your future platform. I'm worried that you forgot and then later on you ask me that, oh, I can't tick the attendance. I forgot to tick the attendance. Okay, we have one smart guy here. I don't know if he's here or not in this class. Nick Man. Are you here? I don't think so. Ibrahim? Are you here? Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Is it you in the picture now?
Yes, this is me.
Okay. But why don't you answer my questions that I asked to tell us about yourself? This one.
Last week, my lens is very difficult. So today I do that.
Where are you now?
Now I'm Malaysia.
In Malaysia?
Yeah,
So you stay in Setapak here?
Setebak, yeah.
Okay. Your renting house is there?
Yes, I'm renting.
Oh, okay. Why is quite far?
Because my friend is here.
Your friends?
Yeah. After that, I'm looking
Oh, your friends.
nearby Shah Alam.
Oh, okay. When you will make a move?
After Ramadan,
Oh, after Ramadan.
inshallah.
Oh, okay. Okay, all right. So yeah, I don't know how's the other class. Okay, I believe that some of them make it physical. I'm not sure. Okay, but in my class, I think we already agreed that to have like 2 classes only physicals for your test, and also when we agree, I forgot already. Another one, test and what? Anyone? Sorry?
Presentation.
Presentation? Oh, the dissertation, is it?
No, group presentation.
Oh, okay. I think somebody said different things. I
Oh
forgot.
no, site visit, I think.
Yes, thank you. Correct. Site visit. Correct. Thank you, Sazak. Yes. Now you remind me. Why easy to forget. Okay, yes, site visit and only for the test. So this only you will have a physical for my class. Okay, Ibrahim, is it clear with you?
Okay.
And the rest, like Ali, I think Ali, you have a good line today.
Yeah. I have.
You, yes. Okay, Ibrahim, can you maybe you can turn on the camera and introduce yourself? Like I asked you, what is your nickname, and do you have any working experience, and which company you are if you are working now, and what is your interest or hobby, and then where is your hometown? Yeah, I think everyone want to know where you come from. And then
First, happy Ramadan for everyone. My name is Ibrahim
okay.
Rahman. I'm from Somalia.
Oh, okay. Somalia.
I don't have any experience for the like others. I graduated 2 years ago, and immediately I want to upgrade my education for master degree. So I come here for that reason.
Oh, okay. You said you graduate from where?
From private university from Somalia University.
Oh, okay. So how did you found UITM?
In Google by searching.
Okay, it's quite famous then. Is it you search where what university, the cheapest university in Malaysia? Is it you type that one? You searching that one?
I search in Google, so I see the UITM is quite different for the others. So I applied. Normally I applied. After that, accepted me.
Oh, okay. Great. Okay, that's good. So are you self-funded or under scholarship?
No. There's no scholarship.
Okay. Okay. All right. So everyone say hi to Ibrahim.
Hi, Ibrahim.
Hi, Ibrahim.
Okay, thank you. So please, class, okay, I think we have to make it 100% in English so that they can understand, I suppose. Okay, right? You only understand English or you can speak Malay?
I understand English.
Okay, all right. Okay, that's good. How young are you? Sorry. Ibrahim, how young are you?
How
young are you?
How old are you?
Yeah.
24.
Okay, yeah, quite young. All right. Okay, thank you. Any question for
Thank you.
Ibrahim? No question? Okay. Ali, I hope that your line, Ali Shahidullah. Thank you, Ibrahim. So Ali, are you there? Can
Yes,
you
doctor.
can you I think last time we missed out your your introduction. Where are you? Wait, let me find. Hey, it's
Yes,
not.
doctor.
Where is your? You didn't add any information here?
I'm sorry, doctor. I cannot access your link in
really?
my hometown, doctor.
Oh, okay, okay. It's okay. Then maybe we need you to introduce yourself. I think
Yes.
you can read, right? Tell us your nickname,
Yes.
if you are working, what company, and then your experience.
Well, doctor.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ali Shahidullah. My call name is Ali. I am fresh graduate in civil engineering at Sumbawa University of Technology. I am from West Nusa Tenggara, especially in Lombok.
Okay.
My hobby is playing guitar, playing football,
Okay.
and etc. Doctor.
All right. That's great. Okay, that's good. Any questions? Say hi to Ali, everyone.
Hi,
Hi.
Ali.
Hi.
How
Thank you,
did you
doctor.
found UITM?
Based on my research at Google, doctor.
Oh, again, same. Same like Ibrahim.
Yes.
Okay, so it's not because you browse the cheapest fee study in Malaysia. No?
I am sorry. I get a scholarship in
Oh,
Indonesia.
I see. Okay, that's good. So you got
Yes, doctor.
scholarship to further master. Okay, that's
Yes.
good. That's great. All right, so
I am 26 years old.
oh, okay. Good to know. Okay, all the best, Ali. Okay, thank you.
doctor.
Any question for Ali, everyone? No? So are you coming, Ali? You will come to Malaysia?
Tomorrow I will go to Malaysia, doctor.
Okay, then you will live nearby Shah Alam, correct?
Yes.
Okay, then. That's good. So
Maybe I can stay in section 7, doctor.
okay, that's great. All right. See you soon. Okay?
Okay.
In our school. All right. Thank you, Ali. All right, so we have another, okay, last guy. Okay, Nur Nikman Saleh, are you here? I think you already joined our class.
Assalamualaikum, doctor, and everyone. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay, say hi to, how to call you, Nor or Nick or Nikman. Okay, Nick. Okay, say hi to Nikman, everyone.
Hi,
Iman.
Hi, Nikman.
Why everyone
Hello,
so
hi.
after iftar, eh? Okay. Hi. Okay, Nick.
Okay.
Yeah, you can introduce
My name
yourself.
is Nonik Saleh. You can call me Nick. Sure. You can call me Nick. Currently, I'm working as a project manager and a project director for the Black Dot Management Stramahat, one of the engineering firm in Sarawak. We have 3 specialties: engineering, QS, and PMC, project management consultant. I have 11 years of experience, and my interest is working.
Okay.
I don't have any other interests other than working.
Okay. No wonder you didn't join our class last week because of working.
Last week, I traveled to Melaka to work.
Oh, I see. Because you're outstation. All right. Okay. Okay.
And my hometown in Kuching, Sarawak. And no need to worry about me. I can travel to Semenanjung or Shah Alam later on to attend the class.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
And actually, my background is in management technology. It's more toward industrial. And I have a master finishing in 2016, MBA master. And this is my second one.
Okay, we are gang. We are gang. Okay.
A gang, yes, gang. And then after that, my mission over here is continual improvement. We try to improve any way we can and to learn. My cup is still empty, doctor.
Oh
Want to
no,
learn more.
it's not empty. You already, I think already full and full again. Okay. Okay, that's great. So you said you comply with BEM bridging program. What do you mean by that? Why master? You want to further master? You said to comply.
Actually, my course is not certified in Board of Engineer Malaysia. Right now, in process of doing the bridging program to ensure that I can convert to construction field when I started to register with BM. So this one is more toward compliance and also to ensure that I can continue more and explore more in industry.
I see. Is it for the IR application?
Yes.
Oh.
No lah. Yeah, yes.
Yes, right? Okay. Okay, it's okay. It's good. All right. So you said 11 years experience from how many companies, or is it the only company?
Previously, I'm working at other engineering firm. And then after that, I established my own company without any help from my parents or anyone.
Okay,
So
that's good.
there's a blood and sweat over there. Right now, we are in rapid expansion. Yeah. Currently our company doing the water pipe Sarawak alternative water supply for the rural area. So we converting the reverse stream water to the and treated the water for the villages in Sarawak.
Oh, okay, that's great. All right. So for that one is the current recent project, right?
Yes, currently in progress, Doctor.
Oh, okay. For how many years that project?
Estimated completed next year.
Okay.
Next year.
Oh, very quick. Okay, all right, that's good. So great to know. Okay. And you are 35 years old this year.
Yes, Doctor, 35, 34.
Oh, 34. Okay. All right. Okay. Any question? Everyone to Nick? Good, eh? Anyone? No? No questions. Okay. All right. So I think if you I already introduced about myself to to the rest, those who are missed our class last week. So if you want to know Nick, Ibrahim, and maybe Ali, those who have weak line, okay, last week, maybe you can get to know about myself by scan my wait a moment, this one. Okay, you can scan this QR code, okay, then you will get access to my website, okay, if you want to know more detail about me. Okay, any question, Nick, or Ali and Ibrahim?
No, Doctor.
Okay, so I think, Nick, you can get the information. Okay, you can just Google my name as well. You can easily find who is your lecturer. Okay, is it okay, Nick?
Well, Doctor.
Ali and Ibrahim. And then okay, sorry, Nick, should I go through a little bit about the lesson plan, or you will find out with your classmate? I'm not sure how you engage with the rest.
Never mind. Let me read inside the outline later on, Doctor. Thank you again. Thank you.
So you just I think I already provided in the group. I hope that you are in the group before I send that document. I'm not sure. So I hope that everyone's there already. If not, then let us know, okay? All right, wait. Okay, thank you, everyone. So wait, stop sharing. Now I want to go through our lecture. Wait. Okay, so everyone, any question before we go for the first? I want to give overview on this topic. Wait a moment, let me share first. Where is it, my screen? Okay. All right, can everyone see the screen now? Yes?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay. All right. Oh, before that, okay, let me share the group first. Okay, I forgot. Let me share the group. Your group work first. Moment. Okay, for the rest, for the others who are miss our class previously, actually you have a group work presentation. So I already make the group allocation for each members. Okay, wait a moment. I'm searching where is the slide. Okay, here. All right, so okay, so let me brief a little bit about the presentation group, okay? Because you have to start the presentation next week. Okay, so this is your group members. Can everyone see it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Everyone can see the screen now?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so look at here. Week 3, which is next week, will be topic 2, which is a construction site preparation and organization. Okay, I will brief later on the details about each topic during my presentation or lecture in the overview of the construction site and safety management. Okay, and then your team will be 3 of you to present, and you have to prepare a slide according to this topic. Okay, and your time allocation is for 1 hour. Okay, and again, you have to make sure that you prepare the slide with the case study also related to that topic. You can get from maybe your company's site and so on. You can get an example. Okay, and the topic 3, okay, this one, the construction material management and wastage control. Okay, so these are the group members. Okay, you have 4 here. Okay, so you will present on week 4. So for our class, usually I will make it 1 hour your presentation, and the rest I will continue after your presentation. Okay, and then week 5, topic 4, quality management and assessment in construction site. Okay, these are the group members.
Yeah.
Yes.
Belum.
Oh, okay. I think Aizat didn't mute the microphone, is it? Okay. All right. So this one, week 5. Okay, for group 3, have to present. Okay, and group 4 on week 6. Okay, topic 5, occupational safety and health. Okay, OSHA. So these are the group member. Everyone okay? Clear? I will share all the document later on in the group WhatsApp, and also I will upload in the future. Okay, so you must prepare, like I said, a slide. Okay, the PowerPoint slide, and it doesn't matter you want to using a PowerPoint or other option or other platform. There is a lot. Okay, nowadays you can get it. So I prefer to make it to let you design your presentation. Okay, my style is I don't like many wordings. Okay, so if you can minimalist the words, okay, and show the most important content and make it more picture. Okay, there's more attractive. Okay. All right, and then the communication skills. Okay, these are the things that I will evaluate. Okay, and also, of course, the content. So the communication skill means I want every group members presenting. Okay, not only one person. Okay, and then yeah, including the skills presentation, and also the discussion we usually, okay, for the discussion, I always ask the group to prepare quizzes, okay, at least 10 questions from the topic that you prepare.
Oh, we can put 10 questions later.
Yes,
Just kidding.
and then let your other class member to answer that quiz. You got it? And the audience, I mean your friends, your classmate have to ask you a question. So we need the two-way communication presentation. Okay, this is what we want in my class. This is my practice. Okay, are you clear? Okay, for the rubric, I will include in the UFeature platform. Is it okay?
Doctor, only the slide, prepare the slide and do the presentation without reporting lah.
No, this one not reporting yet. You will have another assignment. That one I will provide when I just about to go to Japan. Okay, so I will allocate 2 weeks for you to complete during our class time. Okay, I will brief you a week before, and then I'm leaving. So 2 weeks I will not around. 4 weeks I will not around, right? So for 2 weeks is for your for your group report. Okay, and also another 2 weeks will be the special lecture that will be moderated by my colleagues from UIT Ampera. Okay, she will hand over and deliver the special lecture during that time. Okay, so that one I will brief later on, no worries. Okay, so this one, yes, without reporting, just a slide. And also the one that I mentioned just now, you have to prepare the quizzes, okay, for your classmate to answer based on your topic so that they can get, usually I will ask you to play the quizzes the following week. You understand? You prepare, but you will not present on the day that you're presenting. We play that quiz the next week. So we want to everyone like get refresh. Okay? Clear?
Excuse me, doctor, may I ask you something, doctor?
Yes, Ali.
How many slides will each group make, doctor?
Doesn't matter as long as you can complete within 1 hour.
Well,
No
doctor.
problem. Okay. Sometimes, do you know what? I just make it 1 hour, but it will happen like almost 2 hours because everyone it depends on how you present. So I just allocate 1 hour. There is no deduct mark and so on about the time. It's just like I don't want that you can drag, or maybe we have to finish quite late, because usually when my students group present for this project that I asked them, usually we take more than 1 hour because they like to ask, you know. The classmates like to ask, oh, the projects are different, you know, so it's quite interesting, the one that they showed. So they want to know more. So it become drag, you know. So it's okay. I just as long as you can make it the content for 1 hour presentation, then there is no limit how much is the slide. Okay, Ali?
Okay, doctor.
All right. Okay.
Excuse doctor.
Yes.
About audience asking question. Audience means everyone or every group.
Oh,
At
okay.
least.
Okay. That one is at least somebody asks. Okay, all of you.
Anyone.
Anyone. Only 2 questions only. That's why if you want to play around, you already deal with your friends. Okay, later when I present, can you ask? Because you worry that nobody will ask because you are not present very good, you know. I don't know. Okay. Sometimes they play the trick. I just want a communication, 2-way communication. That's the thing. Okay.
The other one, prepare 10 question.
That one is your group. The one
Or
who
that one.
Or
that one by group.
Yes.
Group to prepare. Okay.
Yes. The group itself must prepare the quizzes. Okay, I'm not sure you're familiar with the quizzes or not, but you can sign in as a, I think, educator or what, I'm not sure. I think you can try to Google and explore, okay, the quizzes. Just create a questions, okay, and 10 questions from your topic, and you will display these quizzes the following weeks. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay,
let
understand.
your
Not
friend-
during the presentation lah. Okay.
Okay, not during the presentation. Then the following weeks, before we start, I will ask you to display the quizzes. Let the rest answer. Okay.
Okay.
What
Okay.
happened? Everyone like easy to left and in, left in. Is it very bad, the Zoom? I'm not sure how's the Zoom platform. Maybe they need a very strong, what? Asuha likes questions. We need to ask more. What does it mean? Okay. All right. Oh, you know each other, is it in the class? Is your classmate for other subject? Is it? You know each other already, is that right? Okay, where is the topic? Okay, any other questions? Yeah, just ask. It's okay.
So, Doctor, I saw the one example you put in the future. I guess is prepared by previous our
Yes, usually
senior.
from, yes, correct. From your previous senior. Yep.
I have a look. Ada one contoh, one example. The student prepare is about 100 plus slide.
Yes. Yes.
So they managed to present about 100 slide in 1 hour.
Okay, that's why I say it's a flexible, okay. Like I said, how, because that topic is quite a lot, you know, and that one during your senior time, there is many students. This one is the lesser that I have now. I never have my master student like only 13 students. I always have like almost 30, double. Sometimes close to 40, you know. So you imagine how, so it depends on how numbers, okay, how much is numbers. That's why for you, I'm not allocate for that long, okay, because you are quite small number. And also the topic covered is not all. Okay, last time they cover even this topic also they covered. Second week they already started. You imagine, so it different approach. I cannot make it similar like your senior one. Okay, so like them, I even allow them to make it for 2 weeks to present, because they have to cover quite a lot content at that time. For the, I think that one for the OSHA or FME, I forgot. Okay, last time I make it 2 hours for them and 2 hours for me, because we have 4 hours, you know. Okay, if you want to make it, it's okay, feel free. we are here is remember, we are sharing a knowledge. You please take note this thing. It's not only, okay, we, of course, we are giving you the information, the theory and so on. Okay, the most practical that you will learn is from your classmate, your the other people, those who have different background and different experience, you know. So I actually gained a lot of experience from my master students. So you imagine your experience only 10 years. My experience is more than 100 years. You know how? You know how, right?
Yeah,
I accumulate from all my students.
all the students. Yeah.
Okay. You got the idea. So that's how we, so it's nothing wrong to learn from others, because it's really so far I really love masterclass, okay, rather than degree. Because we can learn each other. There is a great things that I really like my master class, okay. And especially when the students are very cooperative and they are keen to share, and also they keen to know as well from each of you. Okay, so we are not saying that you are good, but there is an experience that we have a very senior student, but I think, I don't know you heard or not about this, but this is how you have to handle, deal with the people. So when this person like arrogant or what, then you have to learn how you want to work with. Okay, I believe in your workplace also have that kind of experience, so it's okay, no problem. That will what so called make you more mature, okay, in order to handle with the people. Okay, not only during your workplace. So those who are still new, those who are fresh, okay, please get this opportunity to learn with your classmate or your group members. Okay, that those who are already experienced, take the opportunity, don't be shy, just ask them. Okay, and those who are senior, please don't make yourself like too proud or what you already gained and so on. Share with us. Okay, we need you. All right, okay, so you got the point. Okay, where is it? My slide just now gone. Oh, wait, so you got the idea. So why you worried with the 100? Who just now asked, Zach or who
Yeah,
asked?
because certain the first group is going to present next week, and then
Oh,
the week after I've been thinking we only got 1 week to
okay.
prepare like 100 slides.
No, I didn't say that 100 flight. I didn't say that. I didn't say right.
No, by looking previous example
Oh,
that
okay.
you're being shared.
Yeah. So that's what I said. Okay, that's what I said. That's what happened. Okay, because they have many students, and also I make it like quite comprehensive presentation at that time. Okay, so for this time, it's up to you. You can make it 100 if you can make it less than 2 hours. I can say that. Okay, because including Q&A. All right, that 1 hour, I just said that for your presentation, but when include the Q&A from your classmate, it will be longer. Okay, but it's quite interesting. So is it any problem with that, with the numbers of slide? No, right?
No.
Okay.
Just
So
asking.
okay, sometimes the presentations like numbers, you don't be disturbed with these numbers, because sometimes they just put how one slide, then they present. When one slide, then they present. It's become variety. There are many styles. And one thing what I like about their presentation for the group presentation, every semester, I mean not every, each batch, they come up with different idea, the way they present. Okay, so that's what I also impressed. So I hope that your team also, your batch also will present different than your senior. Okay, you got the point? I don't know how, but yeah. Okay, got it. Okay, any questions about the presentation? We will go detail later on, no worries, about the topic. Maybe some of you like question, what is the content, what we want to talk about. Okay, later we will see. Okay, so for today, I will give an overview on the construction site and safety management, which is the course that you take it. Okay, all right. So here, as you see, the construction site and safety management. Is it the same? So I make it a slide here. Construction site management versus construction safety management. So I'm asking everyone here, is it similar?
No.
Hanis. Good. So everyone agree?
Agree.
Agree, doctor.
Very good. Okay, so we can end our class. I think everyone already got the idea now. Okay, I don't have to deliver the course, is it? Okay, that's good. Okay, so I want to double check with you, those who already experienced. Yes, it's totally different. correct? Okay, so construction site management are more focusing on the work progress. Okay, the construction safety management, they are focusing more on what? Class? Yes, they are focusing more on
Safety, Doctor.
Safety.
safety performance. Okay, correct. Okay, so you see the difference, right? So I suppose everyone, those who are already working in the construction project, you are very well with this. Okay, so I also have to deliver to those who are not yet have experience, so they must know this thing. Okay, so this is totally different and their objective also different. Okay, so the construction site management, they are dealing with the materials, they are dealing with the what they call the triangle for the project success. Do you know what is that? The three triangle, the golden triangle they call for the project.
Time, quality, and cost.
Time, cost,
Quality and cost.
quality. Okay. Time, cost, and what? The other one. It's not quality. Is it quality? Scope. Okay. Oh, sorry. My boy.
Maybe safety, Doctor.
Okay, good. Those who are add on quality and safety. Okay, it's like this. I didn't present that one about the project success, but because that one is under project management, okay? But I want to add on here, okay? So the triangle, okay, the one that I said, the project success, they always focus on the scope, time, and also cost. Okay, these three, the first main that they found out to success project. But when the other researchers come in, they found out it's not enough only to have this triangle, these three triangle. They must focus the other one, quality, correct? And the other researcher enhance again for this theory. They say, oh, this one is not enough for the project success. They must add on with the safety. So it becomes pentagon, it's not triangle anymore. Am I right? Is it pentagon? 5. So now usually the project success, they have 5, which is scope, quality, cost, quality, and safety. Am I right? So you always see this thing. So the safety is part of the construction site management, which is one of the main key. That's why safety is must work together. They cannot like separate. Once they separate, the site will be like meaningless. Okay, so so I hope that you can get my point, this one. So and then that is about the construction site. So they are only focused on also about the material, the machineries, the manpower. Okay, so this is what they concern. And for the construction safety management, they are always looking for the safety performance. Okay, so they always engage with the safety program. Okay, they try to reduce the risk, okay, at the construction site, okay, to avoid any accidents happen, because once the accident happens, it will disturb the performance here, the project performance here. So this one project performance, this one safety performance. Okay, clear, class? Okay, all right. So since you already understand what is the difference between site and safety management, okay, so now our topic for this course, okay, we have the construction site preparation and organization. The content is about types of construction site, okay, site preparation control, okay, site organizations, and setting up for construction site management. Then you see the content is this one only, but don't limit yourself. Okay, when you want to do a presentation, you can have more sub content. Okay, so it depends on how you want to present for this topic. I don't have any limitation. Okay, I make it feel free for you how you want to present within this topic. You are clear? Okay. So for the group next week, please, this is your content. And the following group, okay, this is your content, okay, to talk about this topic, about the principle of material waste management, type of construction waste, okay, and waste reduction prevention. So during this week, I will share my experience, okay, when I preparing assignment during my PhD coursework, okay, in Thailand last time, okay. So this is related with this topic. So I think it's quite interesting also. I will share with you, all right. So I just wait for this group to present how they want to present this topic. And like I said, when you want to present the content, this one, add on the case study. Okay, case study means a real about this topic at your construction site maybe, or other your colleagues or your friends sites. Okay, doesn't matter, but at least you have a case study, meaning that, oh, this project, and then we talk about their site preparation, how they manage. And then this project, for example, like to build the hospital, and then how this project is doing the material management, construction material management, or how their construction waste management. Okay, at that place, at that case study. Okay, clear? Okay, and then topic 4. Okay, this group have to present the quality management assessment for construction, quality standard for construction works, and the quality assessments and scores. Okay. Okay, they have the, if you look at here, quality assessment and scores, there is a practice in Malaysia under CIDB. There is a QLASIC. So you can add on that one, what it's all about. So maybe your friends need to know about that. Okay, something like that. Okay, and then topic 5 is about construction safety and health regulation. Okay, planning safe working environment and preparation of safety plan, employer and employee responsibility on safety, site safety and assessment for the PPE. Okay, for the OSHA, okay, as you know, OSHA is an act. Okay, act. So please explain or present that related to the construction industry. Not all are related. There is some main point that you have to highlight. Not all the section. Okay, only a few sections are related to the construction industry. For example, like for the chemical, not every chemical are related. Usually the chemical is more on the factory or manufacturing industry. So please highlight the main key section only for the construction side. Okay, like the safety and health officer, the safety committee, about the employee responsibility, this one, okay, and others that relevant. Okay. And I think only for group. Okay, so the rest I will present. Okay, this one I will present. Otherwise, your senior, they have more. Okay, more topic they are cover. Okay, so I thought your group enough of have up until topic 6, but it's not. Only I make it because I pity that only 2 person have to present this one, so cannot. I just add on 4 members for the topic that I suppose it's quite a lot for you to present. Okay, clear, class? Class, how
Yes,
are you?
Doctor.
Yes,
Clear,
doctor.
doctor.
Okay,
Clear, doctor.
okay, very good. Okay, so what is the current? Yes. Hello, hello. Any question?
Yeah, doctor, regarding the topic, right? So after we present, then after that you will present your slide, right? Or
I will
you
share
actually,
whatever related to that topic.
okay, all right,
Okay. It's not
understood.
necessary the slide. I will present anything related to that
Okay,
topic. Related to that topic. Because I'm not the typical like the lecturer that follow the, you know, the slide. I don't like that one. I prefer more on the sharing on that topic. You know, whatever the example that you that is relevant to that topic that we need to practice in the real industry. Okay.
Well,
Okay.
doctor.
But some of it maybe, okay, it depends. Of course, I have the slide, okay, to share with you. Usually, I will pick, sometimes I will pick for the best content presentation from your senior, okay, that I think is good to share, okay. So every time I will like think what to select. Okay. Okay, class. Good. Everyone good now, or everyone like getting
Good,
stressed?
doctor.
I think everyone like getting stressed. Oh, next week I have to present. Wow. Oh my God. Those who are got the early presentation are lucky. Okay. All right. So what is the current issues? What happened this one class? I cannot click. Let me check. So how to share the screen? How to share the screen? Is it the screen now?
The Sungai Besi Ulu Klang Elevated Expressway,
Okay, everyone can see?
Yes, doctor.
See, doctor.
or SUKE, is a 24.4-kilometer three-lane highway that runs from Sri Petaling to Ulu Klang. Construction for the highway was approved to commence in 2016. It was scheduled to be completed by 2019. However, the implementation of the project was delayed. The highway is built by Prolintas, a company wholly owned by Promodalan Nasional Berhad. Throughout the construction, many local residents have been protesting about the project due to safety and environmental concerns. Here is a chronology of previous SUKE highway construction mishaps in the past 2 years. On the 16th of August 2019, 3 construction workers, all from China, were injured after a piling steel frame fell on them. A steel beam crashed on the ground on the 20th of June 2020 and narrowly missed a construction worker. On the 6th of July 2020, a beam fell from an elevated position onto the road below, causing traffic diversion. On the 5th of August 2020, a crane toppled over, trapping the crane driver beneath it. On the 19th of September 2020, a concrete slab came loose and fell onto a moving car. Stop work order was subsequently issued.
Okay. So what happened, class? You can see the screen, right? I mean, when I change to YouTube.
Pertama sekali saya melawat di tempat ini untuk melihat apa kejadian sebenar. Berbanding dengan
Okay. Now they are interviewing. Okay. So everyone can see the screen. Is it show the screen?
Yes, doctor, we can.
All right, because I click the desktop, so you easily for you to see. So what happened with the Suke project? So can you see that video just now? I think those who are from I mean the foreign student, there is one of the mega infrastructure project in Malaysia. They are built the highway, okay, as they mentioned, it's quite long, and then along the project, okay, there are many actually accidents happened at that time. It's not only one time, they keep more and more, okay. It's not only they don't prevent, but they keep have it, okay, the accident. Okay, so what is your comment, class? I want to see what is
the process.
Okay, now we look at this one, before I ask you.
Recovered the body of one of 3 workers killed in Monday's gantry crane collapse incident at the Sungai Besi Ulu Klang Elevated Expressway, Suke construction site in Keras, continued today. Kuala Lumpur Fire and Rescue Department Director Nordin Pauzi said firefighters were waiting for the contractor to stabilize the building structure, which is expected to take 7 to 9 hours. He said they are waiting for the contractor to carry out their work before they continue with the recovery process because the beams are heavy. Meanwhile, police were still deployed at the scene to monitor the situation. Chinese nationals Ding Kunfu, Jiang Jimbo, and Mu Dongjian were crushed to death while a motorist was seriously injured when the gantry crane toppled over at the Suke construction site near Puncak Banyan, Pensiran Alam Damai in Cheras here. 2 of the bodies have been recovered, while that of Mu has yet to be retrieved. The driver, a local man, has been admitted to the Chancellor Tuanku Muhriz Hospital. Suke said in a statement that a detour would be opened while the road at Pensiran Alam Damai was closed following the incident to enable cleanup work to be done at the location from yesterday till Sunday.
Okay. So what is your comment, class? Interesting? Interesting to take this course? So what happened? Any one of you in charge for that project, maybe? Yeah, some of my students, yeah, they are experienced the incident, you know, the viral incidents one. Okay, so what do you think? How is the construction site? Is it the most safe place to work? Or is it the most high risk workplace? What do you think? What happened? We are talking about the current issues. Class, no feedback? Or you say, this one, this is a comment. I know already. Anyone? No one to share? What is your opinion on that? This one, what happened? Wait, how to cancel this? Why cannot? Okay, this one, what happened? Gombak buildings collapse. The IDB reminds industry to put safety first. Okay, Gombak building collapse. Okay, the building under construction building are collapsed. Okay, because of lack of safety, actually. Okay, so that's what happened in this project. So actually this the one that sometimes under reporting. Okay, so there is many other cases actually they are not covered in media. Now what happened with this? 2 workers crashed to death. For what incident this one? Concrete slabs collapse on them. Okay, so I suppose that you heard many news about this one. I mean the incident at the construction site. And this one, what happened? 1 construction workers killed when the pillar collapsed. Okay, so many foreign workers. Yeah, we are talking about the laborers in the construction site. Most of them are the foreign labor. Okay, so sometimes when I look at this news, they are not local people. So sometimes they are kind of like prejudice. They call like I don't know. They think because it's not local people, so they are not really paying attention on the safety. So they just like make it. It's okay. They are nothing, but there's human as well. So it's still responsible, okay, for the safety officer to make sure that the work place at the construction site is safe for the workers. Okay. All right. So any comment, class? Any one of you had any experience at your place, working place? Please, I open before I go further.
Doctor,
Yes.
I would like to comment on Suke projects.
Okay. You are one of it.
No. But I use that road because I am living in Ampang, right?
The area, the site area.
Site area, yeah.
Okay. What happened?
Okay. First thing, I'm not understand this thing, right? So why the site is open to public? As we know, the construction is on top of us.
Okay.
We use road underneath.
Yes.
How government or JKR can approve this thing?
Exactly.
That,
Okay, I agree with you. That's my concern as well. Good, sir. Silent. Okay, that's good. Okay, that is the concern. Why? That's why I said Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia are crazy actually. Malaysia is crazy. Okay, I didn't show you what is okay. If I ask you, Malaysia construction development, if you look at in Klang Valley, what do you see? What do you see the development? You only see the high-rise project, correct? And you always see only the multi-layer highway, or what they call the road and the highway, all the elevated one, correct? So they are looking for this kind of project, you know, they want to make it mega and mega, you know, they want to do, Malaysia is like to do that. So if I ask you, can you give me one country in Asian that they are rich, but they don't have any high-rise project and they don't have any high-rise development or any fancy highway? I can say that. Can you give me one country in ASEAN?
Japan.
Brunei.
Yes, I said Brunei. Yes, Brunei, the rich one. Japan have Japan have high rise, but with the technology. Okay, the Japan is okay. That's why I said you can get the example like Japan. Okay, they have a very good development. Okay, they have also fancy building and also highway, but they concerned about safety. We cannot challenge the safety from Japan people. Okay, they are very concerned about safety, but we want to be what they call looks high end, but we didn't take care of the safety. That is our weakness. Okay, Malaysian weakness. So look at Brunei. Okay, true, you said Shafiq and also Nick, you said Brunei. Yes, Brunei is the only one rich country that they are not looking for the development. I've been to Brunei, I feel like I'm in 90s. Okay, the hotel, like they still use the old lift. Can you imagine the number like ting, ting, something like that? Okay, that's my first experience in Brunei. Like I was just like, where I am. I just, what? Okay, but they are peaceful. I like it. They are peaceful. And I think the tallest building is only the Ministry of Finance. I think only how many floors? Less than 30, maybe 20, I'm not sure. Or maybe less than 20 floors, maybe. Okay, so why in Brunei can? Why here cannot? So do you know what is the rule in Brunei for their development? They cannot build more than their castle or mosque. I can't remember which one. So there is the benchmark is there. So you cannot make it higher than the castle, I think. The castle or the mosque. Okay, so this one back to the ruler. Okay, so Zailan, that is the key. Who is the ruler? Who is our ruler? Okay, like Brunei, they have one big ruler, you know, the Sultan. Okay, but here we have, how many sultan we have? 12, 13. I think all the states. Okay, yes, Nick, you want to ask something?
Doctor,
Yeah.
the reason why most of the project in Malaysia they are not focusing more to safety is because of the budget. So the budget for the safety for every project is much lower compared to other country, I think. And and on top of that, a lot of the client they want to cut costs, they want to cut corner. So some of the contractor they cannot do anything where if they put the price is below the market price, so that is the price, and some of the price that we cannot comply with the environment and also the safety side of it.
All right.
For example, like over here in Sarawak, the government project over here handled by JKR, they love to take the pricing below than the benchmarking line. For example, they take 20 to 30% below. So when the project become a sick project, it will affecting the whole system lah.
Yes.
So on the contractor side, they try to cut corner on everything,
Yes.
any way they could.
Yes.
So this is what we saw in the market.
Yes.
This,
Okay.
in my
Yes.
opinion, Doctor.
Correct. That's true. Yes, it's true also. Okay, that is the issue. That one, this issue is very long time and cannot finish it, you know. This will be continued. But there is one thing like we can say about the enforcement and so on, right? So the thing is still who is allowed to have that project, you know, because we can opt for the not high risk project. We can opt for it. If we already prevent that, of course, if you are not allowed, if you are not allocate the safety budget, then you don't have to have a project. The thing is, the client must have enough fund in order for them to get a project to deliver, you know. So this is, the thing is the rule, okay? Not the regulation itself, okay? So about the budget, there is, you can compare, okay, like this. I can say that it depends on the client itself, okay? Some client, even though they have fund, but they don't want to take care of their safety, their commitment, okay? Like I can say Suke is one of the big project, but it depends on how the client monitor. And also MRT, okay? MRT, LRT project is also big project, but it depends on the client, how they monitor, how their commitment, okay? If the client put the commitment, the safety is manageable, you know? So Suke have a quite massive numbers of incident compared than other infrastructure project. I can say like MRT, LRT, they have, but not massive like Suke, okay? So I can see Suke have a very poor their safety commitment from the client, okay? I had experience for the LRT3 project, okay? For the, if you remember the incident at Klang, if anyone remember about the scaffolding, that one gone viral. Remember? The incident at the Bukit Tinggi, okay, the scaffold what collapse, and then kill fatal, okay, one workers, yeah. And then due to that incident, what the client action immediately, okay, my team have presented about the issues, and the issues is because of the scaffolding, what the loading, okay, they are miscalculation, okay. So they don't they are not done the testing for the scaffold. So what happened, the MRCB at that time, the client at the MenCon, okay, the MRCB assigned, okay, who is the project delivery, the MRCB, okay, they assign all the contractor, the main contractor, every package, okay, to do a tasting in UiTM. So we are the one who have to do the testing. So they try to prevent, okay, before they didn't do it. So they missed that step, okay, to take into precaution. So now once the client have commitment, so they are focused on comply with the safety, okay. But Suke, what I can see, the commitment is very poor from their client, okay. The client is the main role. Like you said, the budget, right? But the budget is come from the client, okay. So yes, I agree that one is the main issue, but it's not the, it's not can what prevent for you to not perform in safety. There is many other project can perform, I mean, can manage the safety well, just because of the commitment from the client. Sometimes you don't have to spend more, it's just like you show your commitment, your, you know, the MenCon, the subcon will comply with the safety, okay. All right,
Can I share something?
okay, yes, Farah.
last time when I was in the MRT project, we have our own safety department, right? So
Yes.
we at site are more afraid at our own safety department compared to the DOSH.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, you see now how their commitment, okay? You see how, okay, the issue with the DOSH, do you know why? They have less human power. They don't have manpower. Sorry. Okay, they said they are not enough manpower. You imagine DOSH is not only looking for the construction industry. They are looking for 11 or 10 industry, you know. So you imagine how many DOSH people? It's not much. Okay, that's
Like
what.
Right, we have like every month we have safety audit for each site every month internal and not including the HQ audit or DOSH audit or third party audit. So the monthly audit is more terrifying than the DOSH audit.
Okay.
It will come.
Okay. Interesting. That's what I say. It's very funny sometimes when you look at our system. That's why the OSHA actually they already planned as a safe regulation, safe regulated. They call safe regulation. That's why you are feel free how you want to manage your safety at your organization. It's a safe regulation. Okay, so when they self-regulated or self-regulation, this one, that's why the MRT itself, they put the power on themselves. Okay, they want to create the culture, the safety culture among their organization. This is how they have to do. Okay, that's why I said the commitment. If you show a bit what big role in safety, for sure they afraid. You see the staff also like Farah also already afraid with them. Okay, even internal. Can you imagine? So this is what we want. It's not only for this kind of big project, but even those small organization. But if you show the commitment, for sure the rest will comply. You know. Okay, good sharing. Farah, any other interesting part? That one is already interesting. Okay, good.
Excuse me, doctor.
Yes, Ali.
May I ask you something?
Yes.
Yes, doctor. I am confused, doctor.
Yes.
Let me explain about my opinion, doctor.
Okay, please.
Usually, before starting work at the location, doctor, a safety toolbox meeting is carried out. Correct,
Yes.
doctor?
Yes, correct.
This is to ensure that workers carry out activities according to standard operating procedure.
Yes, correct.
Why incident happened, doctor?
I will show you later on. Good, Ali. Okay, not yet reach to the slides. Okay.
Oh,
All
okay,
right.
okay, doctor. Okay, doctor.
Okay. Thank you for that. It's correct. Okay, that's good. Okay, everyone clear what the Ali's points there? Why still have incident, even though we already take precautions or we already do the toolbox meeting, okay, the induction, safety induction, so it still happen the safety. The incident. Okay, later I will explain detail. Okay, thank you, Ali, for your point. That's good. Okay, I will answer later on when the right time is come. Okay.
Okay. Most welcome, doctor.
Okay. All right. So what are types of construction project? Okay. Now I want you to relate with the real industry. Okay. I want to ask you first. Sorry. So what are the types of construction project? Class, hurry up. I show just. Sorry.
Infrastructure.
Infrastructure. Okay. What else? Again. Infrastructure. The rest. What else?
High-rise, doctor. High-rise.
Building.
Okay, building. Okay. What else?
High-rise building, infrastructure project, doctor.
That's it? Huh?
Dam project, doctor.
You guys, ya ampun. Okay. Aduh. Okay. Why I want to ask you this one? Okay, I know you are a master student, but sometimes I always keep remind this one. The students sometimes they always think only the construction project is a building. You know, only the building. They don't think other projects. So in their mind, it's okay, structure, the building, that's it. But actually, we have so many types of construction projects, okay? Various. So when you go out to work, then you find out, oh, I have to build this. Even the sewerage, the sewerage treatment plant, you know, water treatment plants are different than the conventional building. You got my point? So these are the common types: residential building, okay, heavy industrial construction, commercial, okay, engineering construction, like you said, dam, and big other big facility construction, and infrastructure construction, okay, public transportation, the road, the highway, the bridge, railway. So these are different. Okay, if I ask you to make it this project, okay, wait, let me ask you this, to build a new I'm talking about new project for this route like this on the ground, this project, and the risk to project to build a project like this one, which one is more high risk? The risk to build a new road project and also the building high rise building project, which one is the more high risk?
The building.
Building.
High rise, doctor.
High rise. Now you can see the difference, right? So different types of construction projects have different risks. Depends on how big is the project, how small is the project, what types of the project, what kind of project, I mean, how many floors is the project, how far is the project, all are different risks, okay? The petrochemical project, okay? So all are different risks, correct? Okay, so you have to take into consideration in order for you to manage your safety in this type of project. How you want to manage your safety here? How you want to manage the construction site for this project? Can you implement the same safety project here to here? Can you do like that, this similar one?
Different.
Not all.
No difference.
Cannot. Totally, you might have to add on maybe. It's not can be similar. Totally different with the work activities. This one, the risk is working at high. Okay. So working at high is the most high risk work, okay, that the workers, okay, have chances, okay, to fall from height, okay. This is the most high risk for the construction industry, working at high, okay. So this is what I want you to understand first, okay, our nature, okay. So our nature is very, okay, and then dynamic, okay. The construction site is, you will change every single days or months or week, okay. I'm not sure, okay. It depends how your project manager, okay, or site manager handle it. It will change the layout every, you know, progress. Okay, so why site safety? So for the SOCSO itself, they already have the numbers there. That it shows that the data, okay, rise the construction site incidents and death, okay, it increasing, or the number is quite high compared than the other industry, okay. So that's why we are really concerned about the construction site and safety management. And also my research actually more on the design for safety. That will be another course if you want to take it, okay, design for safety, or they call it as a prevention through design. If I have a time, okay, I will share with you about that one, because I want to create awareness, to all of you so that you can share to your colleagues or your management, your organization, or when you move to other organization, you can apply that concept, okay? All right, so why site safety? Against the numbers, we are talking about the statistic. This one from research, they said that the fatalities in the construction, which one is the most highest? The types of accidents. You see the figure now, the pie chart. Which one is the highest? Which one the more high percentage? What is this? What is
Fall from height.
what is this? Okay, fall from height, followed by, where is it? Struck by
falling object.
You see, what is the falling object? Because of the high-rise floors, correct? High floors. And then what next? Overturning vehicles. Okay, so this one is about machineries, also quite high. Hit by vehicles. Why they sometimes what your students? Okay, admit. Okay, all right. And then what else? Excavation, electric shock is common. This one, but it's small percentage. Okay, fire, drowning. Okay, so you see the numbers here. Fall from high up until now, because our development is always on the looking for the high rise project. Okay, so that's why the number is still there. Okay, so this is one of the main concern for the construction project in Malaysia due to the risk. But I will show you there is a new technology that they already applied, okay, in the construction site to avoid or to prevent from fall from height. I think some of you maybe know that technology. They have many terms. They call parameter screen, what they call safe climbing net. It's like a safety net, but this one can be mobilized. They can move upper part. I will show you later on. Okay, so how construction accidents will happen? Okay, will happen. This is the question from Ali. Okay, Ali. You said that, okay. You said that they already introduced the toolbox and so on, okay, practice on site. Okay, I give you example like this. You are driving a car. Okay, driving a car. You use what they call safety belt, right? You're wearing a safety belt. And then you drive. Okay, you drive normal. Okay, it's a safety belt is one of the approach, okay, that you already practice. Okay, and then accident happened. So you already take a precaution, but why still accident happen? Okay, that's why Ali, we call that accident will happen at any time. Okay,
doctor.
It's just like you have to prevent it. Okay, so imagine if the accident happened without you wearing a seatbelt, what happened? How's sorry? Fatal. It can fatal, you said. It can be worse or it can be not worse. Okay, less worse than if you are not wearing it. Okay, so the thing is here, the safety is not what they call guarantee that the accidents not happen. Okay, the safety, okay, safety precaution, okay, we say, okay, it's not guaranteed that the accident will not happen. Okay, accident will happen in any ways, okay, in any what they call conditions. Okay, so you cannot avoid. That's why you have insurance. Okay, because they know the incident is not our needs or we request it. No, we don't. Okay, so The incident will happen. It's just like you have to prevent, okay, to avoid or to reduce a risk. That's only your job, okay? If you already comply, but still accident happen, it's okay. It's okay because you already did your best and still happen, but maybe the incident happen is not worse if when you didn't make it, okay? Or maybe the frequency of accident is not that high, then even you are not implement a good safety planning. You got what I mean, right?
Yes. Understood, Doctor.
So the accident happened when the unsafe condition and also unsafe act. Okay, it could be any one of it. Once unsafe act, accident can happen. One unsafe condition, accident can happen. Or two unsafe condition and unsafe accident also happened. You understand what is the unsafe act? Do you understand what is the unsafe condition? Well, what is that? Is it the elephant behind your house? Ali?
Yes, Doctor.
What is that sounds? It look like some animal behind your house. Okay. So everyone understand what is the unsafe condition?
Yes.
What is unsafe condition? Can you give me example?
Contoh macam example like the crane topple, right? Maybe the ground condition is not stable, so unsafe condition.
Okay, all right. How about unsafe act?
Unsafe act, if we are working outside and not wearing PPE, helmet or safety vest. So
okay.
if other materials fall from height and then hit our head, we are not wearing helmet.
Is there unsafe act? Okay, you got the point, class. Okay, so okay, I want to ask you, in case, let's say, if the company already provided, okay, the PPE, okay, but this worker get injured, okay, because they are not wearing a PPE and so on. Okay, so is it considered unsafe act or unsafe condition? What is the condition? And what is the situation now?
Unsafe act, Doctor.
Unsafe act because the worker itself, they are reluctant to wearing a PPE and they got injured because they don't wear the safety shoes. Actually, the company already provided. So even though the company already manage, provide, have budget, okay, they complete everything they have. But if the workers still, they not comply with the rules there, so still the accident easy to happen, okay? So because of these two things, and these the main things that prone to happen for the accident. Okay, and this
So
is
you mean, Doctor, the attitude of the workers?
Yes, the attitude. Yep. The attitude of the workers itself. So sometimes this thing we cannot avoid. That's why you must show your commitment. You know, what is the commitment? Sometimes they introduce the penalty, or some companies, they doesn't want to use the negative way, and they use the positive way to approach the workers. Sometimes they give incentive instead of the penalty. So when they said incentive, those who are wearing the PPE, they will get a voucher. For example, some company did that, okay, do that. So everything, of course, includes the budget, must have the budget for that. But as long as you have the effort, okay, the commitments there, so you can increase the safety culture in your organization or workers. Okay, that is the most important thing. Okay, to twist the attitude of the workers. Sometimes you cannot avoid this thing, but you must show your commitment, so they will like, oh, okay, this company is different, so they must like aware of it, so they don't want to do wrong. Okay, so they will obey or comply. Okay, so there is so many ways to there is no guidelines how to do this and that. Sometimes you have to try and error to implement it. Sometimes you try this way, it doesn't work. You have to try another way to make sure that you get the attention of the workers to work safely. Okay, and causes of accident, this one the common they said because of due to management, okay, unsafe method, human, job site, okay, because of our industry is unique and dynamic, and then unsafe equipment, a lot, this one, and environment. Okay, so these are the common of construction accidents that always happened, okay, especially not only in Malaysia, many other places as well, I mean other countries. Okay, all right, so this one Dosh said that what the fine, okay, if they are fail to protect them from workplace risk, okay, they will fine 50,000, okay, and also 5 years. So this one now the OSHA, you know, they already amend a few section. Okay, what they want is FMA, they will no longer use, but they will combine with the OSHA. Okay, but until now I didn't change my the slide, because we still use comply with 2 act, okay, for the construction, OSHA and FMA. But once they already announced, okay, no longer use the FMA, then yeah, I have to revise this course as well, that we have to exclude the FMA and focus on OSHA. So what Dosh intention for the amendment, last previous section for the penalized, the fine, okay, is a very low, okay, not that high. So what they are doing now, they want to increase, okay, the penalized the fine. So when they increase, so they hope that the industry will comply. Okay, but for me, still, okay, if there is no enforcement or there is no strict enforcement, this one still doesn't make improvement for our industry. Okay, they need a very strict enforcement. Once you already implement or gazetted, okay, they have to make sure enforce this regulation. Otherwise, everyone will easily, you know, do wrong. Okay, it's not like in Singapore. Okay, they have very strict enforcement. There's also the weakness. Oh, that's all. I thought I have more slide to share. So maybe other slide. Okay, I will share in between. All right. So this is why I want to share with you the overview about the construction site and safety management. I don't want to reveal more, okay, because along the lesson, okay, you will see more information and what is the content about this course. Okay, so any question, class? The act, or you answer just now, somebody? Oh, okay. All right. Any questions? Okay, I want to show you about we having a problem with the, not problem, I mean the case about the fall from height, right? I'm not sure, have you seen this this one, the technology? I think maybe some of you, this one. Did you see the Everyone see the screen, right? Okay. Do you know this one? Solution. Okay. They mention here what? 100% safety for work at height. Do you know what is the things? Can everyone show me before I play the video? Anyone have seen this one? The project? This kind of project? Hello? Anyone home?
Kat mana ni? Where?
Okay, doesn't matter kat mana, in KL. Okay. But I just want to show you. Do you see any different from this building? Why they said 100% safety for work at high?
It seems like they installed the cladding, some sort of like cladding wall
Yes.
covering
Yes.
all.
Yes. Okay. Different supplier, they call different terms, you know, for their product. Okay. So this one they call as SCP, the Safe Climbing Parameter Protective Screen with Working Platform. Okay. So this is one of the they can call as a new construction technology. Okay. For the safety especially. To prevent the risk work at high. Okay, so you see here, this one. See, this one now they already go up in the installation and step climbing. This one is the safe climbing, the minimal logistic and site management efforts. Okay, so this one build master. Okay, so you see this one, actually, once you complete this floor, they can climb upper further, you know, the other floors. So once this one finish, they move up, usually up to 2 floors or 3 floors. Once they complete the work here, then they climb this what they call SCP platform, this one. They move upward. Okay, so when they do the work, they feel like inside the building. Okay, so it shows that more safe. Have you experienced this one? I mean, any one of you have a project like this, maybe?
Yeah, we have before, we call this auto climb.
Yeah.
For the auto climb.
Yeah, they have many names. Okay.
Mhm.
If what they call this one, maybe I can show this one. I think maybe some of you is not familiar. Okay, some of you familiar.
Glowy and smooth skin in only 30 seconds. It's the
Okay,
new
wait.
L'Oreal Paris
The
Glycolic
advertisement.
It contains 5% glycolic acid for the
Why
instantly
so long?
glowy, smooth skin. Wow, look at how glowy my skin is right now.
Ayo. Okay. This one flight pack. They didn't show full. Of course, they want to take care of their product. And let me show you. Maybe this one they have. This one conventional scaffolding. Okay, versus the SCP. This one is the normal. Okay. You see, this is the common practice. Am I right? You always see this construction site. Looks like this for the high rise. Correct or not? Hello?
Yes, Doctor. Correct, Doctor.
Okay,
Yes,
so
yeah.
this is the conventional practice. Okay, what they are doing to prevent the risk from fall from height, they are using safety net. Okay, they just install a safety net to prevent the risk from fall from height. Okay, only safety net. So how how much risk you can reduce. It's not that much, and that's why they call it a poor workplace accessibility, because of the safety net, this one. Okay, and you look at the new approach, how they doing. Okay, you see this one also you want to install is quite risky, see, high risk, still high risk, this one. So this one, they offer what this new technology, they have the platform, this one, focusing on words, so they are more safe. This is how it looks like. You see, from outside it looks like this, and this one from outside. From inside you looks like this. It looks like this. It's more what convenient, right, for you to do work inside. You feel like you are being covered. In with the safety net, it's a very still you feel unsafe. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay, but of course it's costly. But after some time, when a demand is high, so this kind of technology become a normal price. Okay, everyone can afford to use this technology. You know, the concept. Okay, it's not kind of technology, it's a basic concept actually, but they come out with this initiative to have a safe climbing wall or platform. Okay, there is one, I think, a Lendlease company. Okay, they also implement this one. The Lendlease is from Australia, so I can say they are the pioneer on that this method, and the rest are follow. You know, the other company follow, and they come up with their own product like Plytech, Perry. Okay, these are the company, anchor company for the scaffolding. Okay, Doka, you know, if you heard about this name of the company for the scaffolding supplier, you know, Plytech, Perry, Doka, what else? Last time I have many supplier from this scaffolding for the testing. They have Cahaya Aulia, and what else? I forgot just now. If I open my Excel, okay, for the project, then I will see all the names for the different brand. Basco, Basco. Okay. Keep focusing on work. Okay, work with no fear. You see how they are very comfort, convenient, higher working efficiency. You see, it's more clean also. They also have this platform, okay?
Doctor, do they still require to wear safety harness with this SCP?
Okay, all right. It depends, okay? When you look at the environment, okay, it looks like still closed space. When it is closed space, they are not necessary. When you are exposed to the open space, work from height, you have to. Okay, but this one, the SCP, you can see is a very can say like temporary structure already that is covered, you know. So it's not necessary if you are not open exposure to the work at height. Okay, so that's why they can ignore that what they call the PPE for the safety harness. Okay.
Yes.
So okay, all right. Okay. So you got a new info, or is it not new for you? When the first time I heard about this technology, the approach and the method, when I had a project for the one that I said, design for safety, or prevention through design. That is my research area at the moment. Okay, so I'm doing that research. So I have a collaboration with the UK, Manchester University, for this safety project. So the first I heard is from Lendlease. Okay, they are the one who, I don't know, you know about Lendlease or not, the project management company, but now they are also become I think construction manager, project, something like that, project delivery. Okay, so they are the one who introduced about this approach, and then followed by the Plytech and the Buildmaster. Okay, there is one guy, famous guy, Chinese guy. He's the one who come up with this awareness and promote their product for the Plytech. Okay, so I don't know, is it your first time see this self climbing? I think, who's that? Nasuha, Nasuha ke? Masuha is the Nasuha, right?
Asuha kata.
Oh, sorry. Asuha.
Muhammad Asuha.
Okay, sorry. Okay, Asuha. So your project use that things?
Yeah, previously the Sunway Pyramid Hotel. We use that.
Okay, Pyramid Hotel. Is it the
Near to the Sunway Lagoon. Near to the Sunway Lagoon.
Okay, is it new hotel or the old hotel?
It's built up to 2013 and then from 2015. And then we
Okay.
use that system lah. So we have the auto climb.
So that system at that time, is it new or can you recall like when they started to use that things?
We use on the 2013, but I think the one but the one I think the technologies come out somewhere in 2010.
Okay. So that one is a very like rare construction.
Yeah, very rare.
Because it's very expensive, you know, to use that. That's why Sunway have a lot of money. That's why I like. Okay. Sunway, right? Okay. So Sunway I like because they like to invest. They like to invest for safety. That's what I like about Sunway. Okay. Not only safety, their management or their project. Okay. They like to invest. They have a lot of fun. I don't know how. Okay. What I experienced with the Sunway, the LRT project for the package 7 and 8. Okay, 7, 8 LRT 3. Okay, that one under Sunway. You know, we have to conduct the testing, right? So what happened? Other packages send their sample, okay, their sample testing, except the Sunway. Do you know why? Because they already completed. They already complete the project in advance. You know, they are not waiting for the timeline. They already finish early. They complete their package. Package 7 and 8 at Bukit Raja. You know, the alignment there. And I was surprised when the Chinese company, the Chinese Railway Construction at CRCC, something like that, their package is package 6, if I'm not mistaken. So what happened? They delayed and they being blacklisted by MRCB, or now they call as SU LRT 3. So Sunway take over. Sunway took over that project and now almost complete. You know, the sections, section 7 at the back there, near ICT. That one, the alignment there for the LRT 3. So now under Sunway, they complete. I mean, they can very fast. When they give a project, they will invest first. They will they don't care about what is the payment from the client. They use their money first. They claim later. That's what they do. So I don't know how they have a lot of money. Sunway. So good. Sunway already start in 2013. That you know, maybe they already start 2010 for the other project. Maybe. Okay. So 2013 they start, and now keep growing. Okay. That one, what brand they are using? Can you remember? What?
Doka.
Doka. You see? Doka. Okay, good. Right, so Doka already used that one. And then I think afterwards they are followed by other anchor scaffolding supplier. Like I mentioned, Perry, Vasco. Okay, they become a competitor. Okay, afterwards, because they see this system. Okay, this method is a very safe, and even though it's expensive, of course expensive, you want to design, okay, follow the structure design, you know, and then but it's only one time, correct? Asuha, you experience how they implemented the system?
Yeah, I explained from the beginning since they start the works, and then after the completion of this formwork system lah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so what is your opinion about this system? Afterwards, have you experienced with the conventional system or only with this afterwards?
Yeah, afterward is also explained in the conventional, the netting, scaffold and nettings lah. This system also actually is good, but it's subject to the project. If the high rise more than 15th floor, then you can use it. The cost like cost is because of the cycle time for usage to climb.
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
but for the safety, it's very good. If we use external, we do the facade and then we do the plastering outside, so very safe for the workers.
Yes, correct. Okay, that's good. Okay, so you see, for this method, it's not relevant for you to use for the low-rise building. Okay, is cannot. Okay, you have to see what kind of project. Okay, if high-rise more than like he said that more than 15, then it will be applicable to use it. But if not, then you cannot. You know, you have to spend more than the cost of to construct. Okay, for the temporary structure, so it's not relevant. Okay, so this is one of the things. So 2003 is quite long already. Okay, actually, but it just like very rare to see a long time ago. But now I can see a lot more. You can see when you go to the Klang Valley in KL, okay, for the construction high-rise building, you will see this thing. So now when you see the conventional and this one, so you will see, oh, the client like to invest or to use this kind of method. Okay, actually the contractor will propose or to ask first about this approach or method. If the client agree to use it, they will apply. Okay, they will use it. They will see what is the what they call cost benefit analysis. Okay, all right, they have to think on that. Okay, clear? Class? Any sharing other than Asuha? Maybe other people, have you experienced about this method? No. So I hope it's a good input for everyone. We are almost 10 now. Any other questions? Since everyone already asked me before, I'm not sure if you want to ask again. It's okay, because my rule is at least 2 questions for each class. Okay. So any other questions?
I think no, doctor.
Okay. All right. So same like with others. Okay. So I will share all the information and for your group preparation in the group and also your features. So if anything, you can ask in the WhatsApp. Okay, if you have any doubt, okay, to us, then please feel free to contact. Okay, don't be shy, just ask. Okay, and if anything else, I think I will update. Okay, so far nothing. Just you prepare your group presentation until your next assignment is I think a week before I fly in June, so it should be after Raya on May. Okay, I will brief you for other projects. Okay, I think that's all for today. If you don't have any questions, so we will see you next week with the first group presentation. Okay. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, doctor.
Wait, can you turn on the camera for a while for me to take the screenshot, please. Wow, okay, now I can see everyone's. Okay, so please commit to turn on the camera because you have less physical time, okay, together. So please just turn on your camera so everyone can see each other. Farah, can salam Lufti. Ask him, he forget ke Lina already. Who is this? Amma Jakri. What is this? Okay. Turn on the camera, please. Amma Jakri, why have two? Is it Amma Jakri in our class? I can't remember. Who is this guy? Okay, Nick, turn on the camera, please. So we have only 4 times 4, 16.
Hello, doctor.
Huh? What happened? Ibrahim, why your camera is turned the other side? Nick, are you driving?
I don't know, but
please stop at the corner then. Amma, where are you?
Nick and safe act out.
Hello, doctor.
Okay. I can see you now. Okay. Okay, I want to screenshot. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay. So if nothing else to ask, then we will see you guys next week. Okay. So assalamualaikum and good night, everyone. Take care. Okay, I will brief in the WhatsApp. I have something to do with you, all of you, for the forum later on. I think you will see at the lesson plan at the bottom, there is the instruction there, right? If everyone notice it.
YouTube.
The YouTube. You have to read. I forgot to assign you. But this one is just for the activities, this one. Alamak. I cannot see. The forum one. I ask you, you just read that lesson plan at the last part. Okay. So you just follow the instruction. You respond. I'm not sure you can access the UFuture or not for the forum one. Can you access? If not, I have to open you for this batch.
The forum one, what do you mean?
You have to respond in the UFuture. Okay. There is the instruction under the lesson plan. Wait, I show you for a while. Is it this one or this one?
Excuse me, doctor. Especially for me, I still not access my UFuture, doctor.
Why?
There was some problem.
What happened? So when you will get access? When? Ali? Not sure.
Not sure, doctor.
This
Then
one.
can you share the lesson into WhatsApp group, doctor?
Okay. Actually, the lesson plan already sent in the WhatsApp group, but it's okay. I will share again this one. Okay. You just respond to this. Please copy this YouTube link. Okay, watch the video and then you have to respond the answer. I will create a forum one in the UFuture. Then you will explain in the UFuture. It's like you have to type there. Okay. For the experienced student, you just list out which practice have been implemented in your company based on the YouTube. Okay. Example, and then discuss the best practice that similar have been approached, okay, from your recent or previous company. And for the fresh graduate, for those who are no experienced, you just list the best practice that has been described from the video. This is only the task that you have to do. Okay? Okay. You have to, okay. Anything just in the WhatsApp. Okay, so that's all I think. Okay, thank you.
Doctor, today's slide will be in the WhatsApp or UFuture?
Both.
Both. Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Thank you,
Maybe
doctor.
via WhatsApp. Maybe here. I will send the
I'm sorry, doctor. I cannot take my attendance in your feature, doctor.
Ali, I will remove you from this group. It's okay.
Okay.
You ask Dr. Sheila. Is it Dr. Sheila? When you will get access? Okay. It's okay. I will share with you. No worries. Okay. All right. So thank you.
Okay, doctor.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, bye. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Welcome.